I just got back from the alignment shop. My buddy over there told me that I need to have more adjustment abilities on this G35. Not with the camber arms anymore, but with the toe. So for toe adjustments, we actually have a couple options that we can go with. One option is very similar to what we got up here. And you can see we just replaced the camber arms. And so this is where the toe adjustment comes into play. And right up here, when they turn this bolt, it actually pushes and pulls the bucket in and out, which will adjust the toe up there. So we've got two options really to solve our uneven wear situation we got right there. Those options are, we can get a larger aftermarket toe bolt. And the reason why I didn't go with that option is because you actually have to drill into this to make it larger and then put the larger bolt through. The major issue I have with that is if you want to go slidey slides, well, you can't really do that because it puts a whole bunch of pressure on the sides, which actually this is not super sturdy, and that will rotate slightly, which will throw off the toe again, and you have to go back to the alignment shop again. So first off, I mean, once you drill this out, that's super permanent. You're literally taking part of the undercarriage of the car and you're drilling into it. Rather than do that, I just decided that just like here on the camber arms, we get a whole bunch of adjustment right there, and this is actually perfect for sliding because you see this deletes the camber bolt. This is locked in, so all of the adjustments are right here. I decided I'm gonna go a little bit more of an expensive route because I do want to slide this sideways, and I went with, we got some Z1 toe arms, and these things are super clean. And then I also have the Z1 offset eccentric bolt elimination pair. So these are going to delete the camber and the toe bolts. You're definitely going to want to pick these up along with your arms. So installing these arms, pretty straightforward. We are going to knock this bolt out, and then we're going to knock this bolt out. And as you can see, my wheel is in the way, so I'm going to go ahead and take off the wheel real quick. One really important factor you're going to have to consider when choosing between coilovers and lowering springs is that these toe arms completely replace this bucket, and the bucket is normally where you'd find the spring. So if you were to go with lowering springs, you cannot use these aftermarket toe arms. Your only option at that point is to go with larger toe bolts. So you're going to have to do the whole drilling thing, and you're not going to be slidey sliding. I mean, you're not going to be drifting your car, like for real. It's just not the correct setup. So if you want to drift your car, you're definitely going to be wanting to go this route, which means you're going to need coilovers. You're going to need full coilovers up there with the spring and the shock all put together. And now I've got access to the bolts up here. So I'm going to go ahead and knock this bolt out, knock the toe bolts out, and then we can put the nice arms up on here. Woo! That's one. Knock out the other. Now real quick, I'm going to tighten these bolts down to 54 foot-pounds. And then, lock these in. Yep, so that is how to properly lower your car, and if you made it this far, you liked the video. So make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe and share with all your friends. So now, I'm gonna take some pans of the new suspension, and then I'm gonna take my car back to the alignment rack to get it all dialed in. In the meantime, I'm gonna be shopping on TireRack.com for some new tires, because you know I'm gonna burn these ones out. And we just became a wholesaler for Tire Rack. So, if you're in the Delaware area and you need tires, hit us up and we'll hook you up. Yeah. So, stay tuned. We got lots more coming up, and I'll show you the car. Yes.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. And we'll see you next time.
So beautiful. Yo! Time to burn these off.